Oh, hi guys, it's Mr. Wahid back with another video. Sorry about the intro. I don't know what I was doing. But yeah, basically, if you not watched my last video of the unboxing, go check it out. It's the HP 250 G7, I think. Well, this is that same laptop. I've left on charge for about 2 seconds. I'll literally put it on now. This one I hit the charger being on the left. All my ports on the right. Yeah, it's UK in it. I don't know. I've never actually had a port on my left ever, I don't think. Not from where I sit or anything. Yeah. So yeah, I'm gonna boot this up for you. This is the first boot up. Let's see how it goes. No? Saw something? Or did I? Not sure what. Is that not the power button? Yeah, it is. That is charging. So what is going on? Has not got enough power to charge. Come on. I have no idea. Or is it faulty already? Fuck's sake. Let's find out. Oh no. Oh wait, what? Whoa. Straight away, guys. Brand new laptop. Fault already. I don't even know what the fuck it's about. See what I mean? This is what I mean. About the Dell the other day. Faulty. This brand new. Faulty. Or is it just battery? I don't know. Okay, it's booting up now. So we got the first boot now. Hopefully it'll be fine after this. Maybe just needed the time correcting on the CMOS battery or something. I don't know. Maybe the CMOS battery died. Oh, that's a bright screen. It looks a lot better in person right now. It's not as bright as you're seeing now. And the colors are washed out. I'm not liking the color reproduction on this. What you're seeing on camera is not how it is in real life. It's more lighter. It's not as blue. Ooh, even the blacks are washed out. Shut the hell up.
And I'm here to help.
I'm here trying to make a video.
And this sign in here.
What the hell?
A touch of Wi-Fi there, and we'll have your PC ready for.
No good. Whoa, what is that? Go weird. Oh, that's cool. I swear this was backlit. You did say it on the description, so who knows? Maybe not. So what I'm gonna do now is just switch off and see if it boots back up straight away. If it doesn't, then we might have a faulty laptop. And this is not how you should turn it off, but there's no other way. So yeah, blame Windows 10 for that. Okay, let it shut down. I still hear the fans running and the light was on. Okay, let's try again booting, see if there's any issues with it. Seems to be okay at the moment. Yep, that's fine, completely fine. This fast boot up. So yeah, I'm liking it. Alright guys, thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe to our channel. I might make some videos on this, so who knows. But I'm not liking the screen so far. The blacks are not black. Look, that's on here it's meant to be black. It's full on grey. So yeah, it's not really. It's like they've tried to produce a black, but it's too bright. I don't know really, but yeah. Anyways guys, thank you guys for watching. Goodbye.